If you want to protect your hair against damage and make it stronger moving forward, let me introduce you to Epres Healthy Shampoo and Conditioner. I was just gifted these. I've put them to the test on my own hair, and I gotta say, this is amazing. It feels so good. My hair feels like silk. And these aren't just blowing smoke, they are patented, they are well loved, and let me break down what makes them so amazing. Now, they both have the patented Biodiffusion Bond Repair technology. And what that is some sort of incredible tech that actually repairs the internal bonds of your hair. And while they do have serums, they do promise that it works while washing and conditioning. Then these are both quat-free, so they don't have anything that's going to build up in your hair, make it feel more heavy. In general, these are extremely lightweight, and I gotta tell you, that's the thing I notice the most, is how my hair just feels like it has more body, more lift. It just feels healthier because of it. Now, the shampoo can be used as a deep clean or a daily clean. If you're doing a deep clean, you can do the double wash. It's going to be low suds on the first wash and much higher suds on that second wash. And so if you're like me and try to go as far as you can between washes, you will probably always be double washing. And it really does leave your hair very lightweight, clean, refreshed feeling. It pulls out any debris, any unnecessary oils, and is just very nice overall. It has the slightest vanilla smell, and it also has kind of a more natural, almost clay-like smell, but very faint. And then the conditioner is actually dual use. You can use this as a leave-in or a conditioner you wash with. And it's designed to smooth, detangle, and boost shine instantly, which I gotta say, it really did that beautifully. And another thing it promises is that your hair is going to dry faster. And I was quite surprised that when I took my hair out of my towel to blow dry it, a lot of it was already dry when it's not normally that dry. So I definitely think this conditioner is doing what it's promising. It's not as heavy as the conditioner I was using beforehand, and it really does let my hair strands dry quickly without becoming overly dry. So really nice there. It just has this nice texture. It's a pretty thick conditioner. Feels really nice in my hair, and now that I know I can use it as a leave-in, I can just rub a little bit of it in as well, and that's really cool. Not something I ever thought of doing with the conditioner I use in my shower. Now, these are very tech-based, clean bond repair shampoo and conditioner, really designed for damaged hair, colored hair, heat-treated hair. If you want to really improve the bond health of your hair so you can continue to color or style it or repair any damage done in the past, that's what these are for. They do come at a slightly more premium price point because of that, and I gotta say, I'm so excited I was gifted these because they really are a treat. Now, one thing to help set expectations is that the shampoo may not foam as much as you're used to. That is expected. And the conditioner has a much lighter texture. When you put in your hair and wash it through, at first it just doesn't feel like it's really conditioning. You may be used to those conditioners where your hair actually feels almost slimy at the end. Like even once you rinse it out, it has almost like a silky, slimy feel to it. That's a terrible word, I know, but I think you know what I'm talking about. Whereas this won't do that at all. You may think your hair is going to be knotted on the other side, that it may not be conditioned well enough, but once I got out of the shower, my hair was beautifully conditioned. So it's much more lightweight, but it definitely does a beautiful job. So if you're looking for an exceptionally high quality set of shampoo and conditioner that really delivers on their promises, I think Epres is the set for you.